Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7! So yeah, have not really vlogged all day at all. It's like 6 in the evening and my hair is just doing its own little thing. I'm gonna set this down because I have to pack my backpack up to go downstairs to tutoring. I need, what else do I need? Okay. I also need my headphones, which are in my jacket pocket. I also need my phone charger, which I'm gonna put in my pocket as well. And then I'm gonna zip up my bag. It's hard doing this with one hand. Okay, and then put this on. And then, time to go downstairs. Turn that off. Close this door. Okay. Vlogmas. Yeah.
You don't know what I triple dog dare you is from?
Day 7. But here we are, back at this lovely table in this lovely setting. Just like on day 4. Yes. 5.
Today's Wednesday.
4.
7, 6, 5, 4.
Oh, it was 4. I was right. Because for some reason I thought today was Tuesday.
I keep thinking it's Thursday, so we're both just starting up in the head.
Finals week has you totally messed up in the brain. I gotta
get degrees.
put my hair down because I hate all these bumps. Hashtag bump nation. Wait, no, that sounds really sexual. Never mind. Kelly knows I don't like that song, but for some reason she just forgets. So we're just out in the common room watching some Criminal Minds because it's Wednesday and we always watch Criminal Minds on Wednesdays. My hair smells good. But yes. So that's pretty much what we're doing. I've worked on some homework. It's mostly studying for finals now. Not really giving us too much to do. Let me walk over here because I feel like this is hella loud. So next Wednesday I will be heading home. So that day's gonna be kind of boring. Sorry. But yep, in a week I'll be heading home. So I'm really excited about that. Sorry, like this week has been kind of boring. There's really not much going on. It's like preparing for finals, doing last minute studying, doing last minute projects. So yeah. So I will probably check in with you guys in a little bit. But for you it's like a second because editing. Yeah.
And he's killing himself. He's being very loud.
Coffee? Oh, you are a lifesaver.
He's so cute.
What's going on?
Oh no.
You need to take some time off. Okay, wow. As soon as we get back. I normally wouldn't do this, especially with everything we have going on and the new agent, but it's my mom. I don't think the clinical trials helping.
With a fork. So Emily and I are going out on an adventure. Adventure time.
We're playing a new segment tonight called in honor of the movie Elf being on. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? Answer the question. Purple. All right, on to the next one. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Buddy the Elf, what is your favorite color?
Green.
Green, yes! Team Green, that's me. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Buddy the Elf, what is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? Purple. Purple. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. We got some purple people in here. We found some more. We're playing a little game for Cassie's Vlogmas. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? You gotta answer the question.
Orange.
Orange. Ooh, you're the first orange person. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Orange.
Orange. Ooh, Team Orange up here.
Hello.
Buddy the Elf, what is your favorite color? What? It's today's segment on Cassie's show.
What's my favorite color?
Yes.
Gray.
Gray. Ooh, interesting.
Ironic.
All right. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Oh, you know what I never did? Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue.
Word. Okay.
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Green.
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Mine was green. He
Oh,
stole it.
Team Green. That's with me.
Yeah,
Quick-
vlogs, you know.
Quick question for you. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Green.
Woo! Another Team Green. 3 for 3. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
I guess it's green.
Wow.
4 for 4.
Such a clutch answer by TheCheekyCassie.
Wait, let's see if she'll name it. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? Blue. We got her.
Yes.
And here it is.
Wait.
Folks. Elf, the greatest movie ever made. Let's be real.
You know what you should do? You should call up campus safety and be like, I'm doing a survey, and I have to ask you this question, Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? Or just call them and be like, Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Or I can just start making phone calls.
Oh my god, do it.
Who should I call? What's the answer?
Hello?
Quick question, I am doing a survey. Buddy the Elf, what's
Okay.
your favorite color?
What's that?
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Red?
Oh, first red. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice day. Okay, who else we got? Oh, it's 11 o'clock at night.
Ooh, whatever.
Some of these people have work in the morning, so I'm apologizing in advance. It's probably gonna be. Yep, nope, yep, voicemail.
Hello?
Hi, I'm taking a quick survey.
Okay.
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue! Everybody loves blue! Alright, you're gonna be internet famous.
Me?
Yep,
Alright. What's the next question?
that was it.
Is that
Yep.
in the survey?
It was a survey.
Oh, are you just asking random people?
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, tune in tomorrow for Cassie's Vlogmas and you will see your name up here.
Okay.
Alright, have a good night and drive safe.
Yo, I'm already home, but...
Okay, tell Mama McNall I said hello.
Okay.
Alright,
Good night.
good night. I don't really have that many contacts because I just got this phone not that long ago. I mean, I can send it in my lacrosse group chat if you want me to.
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color? Huh?
And this is for the SVC Lex team, just so everybody can see that. So now we just sit and wait for some responses.
Find out who's lonely at night. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So even for goodness sake, oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling
Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Yes. Aubrey says, Buddy the Elf told me it was red and green. It's the only one we've gotten so far. There we go, people. There we go.
Cassie, let's be friends, girl. Yeah, we can like hang out. Like you can do my hair and I'll do your hair, and like you can paint my toenails and I'll paint your toenails, and like we can just like do girl stuff. Yeah, let's be friends. Yeah. I love you. So I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. Since I didn't sign off on yesterday's vlog, I'm going to do that now with a Christmas quote for yesterday. So this is yesterday's quote as said by Emily.
Peace on earth will come to stay when we live Christmas every day. And that was said by Helen Steiner Rice.
Awesome. And to say today's Christmas quote is still Emily.
And what better way to say it than quote Buddy the Elf? The best way to spread Christmas cheer. It's singing loud for all to hear.
Thanks, Em.
You're welcome.
So, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I will check in with you guys tomorrow, day 8.
I lost all hope for Emily.
Why would you say that?
Bye.
I never wear my glasses.
Are we not talking about this like freaking an hour ago? Why are you guys happy?
I hate my life. Oh. Where's the fire? I don't see fire.
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool, Cassie.
VLOGMAS.
Yo, it's lit here. It's out there. Come on from your lives.
Stop!
Blood rolls in deep. Look at my boys. Come on. It's lit. Turn around the school.
Well, that was an adventure and a half at like 12:30 in the morning. What?
Whoever's smoking pot can freaking put it away.
All right. Yeah. She's kidding, I hope.
It's technically a new day. You can't put this one on yesterday.
Yes, I can.
I can't.
Yes, I can.
It's after midnight.
So? Oopsies. All right, everybody on. Where's Em? I don't know if she has the keys.
Next day, I'm in the shower, put the shit in there. Sir, run out of the shower. We're like, fuck. Run back in the shower, scrubbed it off, run back out.
Oh my god.
Yo, put me in the vlog, bam! I'm sure.
Fire drill number 18 of the semester.
Seriously, though?
Are we out here? Back to bed.
Going back in my room? Oh, no. Wait, I need someone's help. Taking off my boots. So, during the fire alarm while it was going off and I was still in my room, my adrenaline was pumping, so I didn't really grab any socks. So, Emily is here to save the day and take them off for me.
One at a time.
All right, do the left one.
Cassie!
I'm really trying.
Okay.
I really am trying to do it.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Maybe we should untie them.
They like shouldn't.
Okay, your heel's out though.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
out.
What is this? Wait, you're watching my video? Come over here, I want to watch them with you.
I only got 2. That's all I
Aww.
got. That was
wasn't special enough for your other ones. Alright. Oh, now Kelly's coming to help. Oh, you guys
I'm
are
gonna have to
great.
take this sweatshirt off. I'm sweating. This is like a freaking workout and a half. Okay, what is this?
Let's not do this again.
I was in a rush.
Okay.
Tried to. Okay, I'm sliding again, guys. I'm sliding. Dude,
Alright.
literally, I'm like pointing my foot so hard. Okay, what is happening? Your foot is on my vagina.
Keeping you planted.
I'm loosening you up.
How the hell did you do this?
I don't have socks on.
Let's not do that. Oh,
You're gonna have a lot of bleeding to do on that one.
you can only loosen these things so much.
Kelly, you're just not trying hard enough.
You're not trying hard enough.
Okay, mine's looser than yours.
That could be taken so wrong.
Ow! Something just cracked.
I'm literally like.
Pull harder!
I just want you guys to know that if I knew. I didn't know you were taking this so wrong.
I know it does.
You wanna try, Lauren?
Oh no, I'm good.
What is going on? Do you need me to save you? Because I got that foot out.
Wait, let me just loosen her up a little more.
Falling off at this point.
Oh,
too.
I know.
Oh my god, your hands are really cold.
Your feet are really sweaty.
I know. Yay!
So we started out over there.
And ended up
And ended up all the way over here.
Jesus, go to bed.
Okay. Now I have to catch my breath, maybe have a water break.
So now it's seriously good night.